Thirikari ni itacoketie ikinya ria kunyihanyihia garama ya gucokia kwa andu aria manyitikana matari na marua ma guikara guku bururi-ini kuri ariu aria manyitikana mari hinyagiririo kurutira thirikari wira nginyagia riria makaigania mbeca cia gucoka kwao. Itacokia riri rihithuririo ni Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Dr. Fred Matiang'i uria ugire thirikari gukinyanira na riu ni ihuthirite muigana wa ciringi milioni 360 gucokia andu kwao.
This financial year, we have spent 360 million deporting people. Even yesterday, I signed 3 deportation orders. And as I signed those 3 deportation orders, if every ticket is 230,000, that is about 690,000 shillings.
Matiang'i augite ni arahaririria mutaratara wa watho uria wona wahetukio ni bunge thirikari ndigukorwo ikirugamirira marihi maya.
Why should I be buying tickets every day for people who are here illegally? So if you don't have money to buy your ticket, we make you work at a rate we will agree, whether it's 300 bob a day or 2, until you make your ticket. Then you go back.
Matiang'i ni marekuwa ati kwahotekeka aingi a andu aya matikoretwo makiriha magoti kumana na biashara ciao.
We have 34,000 people on work. We have only 34,000 work permits on record. And you know that those who work in Kenya here, foreigners who work in Kenya here, are over 200,000. There are many. So you can't tell me that only 34,000 people are foreigners.
I can assure you we have almost more than double that number. Now, how do we account for these people? If we have got that double number, then those people are not paying taxes.
Matiang'i ni augire wabici cia kuheanirwo marua maya iria koragwo ihinguritwo thiku 7 hari kiumia niguo kuhotithia andu aya kwamukira marua maya nginyagia tariki 22 mweri wa Muoria-Nyoni mwaka uyu. Ni firigiceni iretanyitwo guthii na mbere nginyagia tariki 22 mweri wa Julai ya gutigirira aruti a wira guku bururi-ini ni mamukira maratathi maria magirire niguo gwitikira guthii na mbere makiruta wira kana gutabania biashara na akorwo ti uguo mundu akorwo agicokio bururi-ini wake. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.